Today I'm going to show you how to install the suspension straps. The tools you'll need for this project are a drill with a small drill bit, a 5/16 drill bit, and a flathead bit, a measuring tape, a pencil, a hammer, a pair of safety glasses, and everything included in your suspension strap kit. Start by measuring and marking where you want your suspension strap to go. Using the small drill bit, we'll pre-drill a hole. If you do not hit a ceiling joist, you'll have to install the pop toggle wall anchor. If you hit a joist, you can skip the next step and drill your screw directly into the joist. To install the pop toggle anchor, we'll first open up the pilot hole using a 5/16 drill bit. Now, pinch the wings of the anchor and gently tap with a hammer until flush with the ceiling. To prep your strap for installment, overlap each end lining up the holes and gently twist your screw through both holes. Now, using the flathead screw bit, you can drill the screw directly into the anchor or into the ceiling if you did not need to utilize the anchor. We'll repeat all of these same steps for the second strap. And here's the final look.